is this? What is this? Come explore with us today. Walking through the ancient land, something strange is standing there. What is this? What is this? Look and see it over there. It's Stegosaurus, Stegosaurus, spikes along its back. Stegosaurus, Stegosaurus, walking down the track. Step, 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 hear the ground. Step, 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 look around. Step by step along the way, something tall is coming our way. What is this? What is this? Reaching leaves up high today. It's a Brachiosaurus, Brachiosaurus, tall and gentle too. Brachiosaurus, Brachiosaurus, looking down at you. Stretch, 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 way up high. Stretch, 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 touch the sky. Running fast across the land, small and quick across the sand. What is this? What is this? Running swiftly through the land. It's a Velociraptor, Velociraptor, running fast and free. Velociraptor, Velociraptor, fast as fast can be. Run, 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 look and see. Run, 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 quick as can be. Walking strong across the land, three big horns upon its head. What is this? What is this? Standing proudly there ahead. It's a Triceratops, Triceratops, with three horns so strong. Triceratops, Triceratops, walking right along. Stomp, stomp, stomp on the ground. Stomp, 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 hear the sound. Walking slowly through the land, something big is close at hand. What is this? What is this? King of dinos in the land. It's a T-Rex, yes, a T-Rex, strong and brave and loud. It's a T-Rex, yes, a T-Rex, standing tall and proud. Roar, 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 hear the sound. Roar, 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 shake the ground. Stegosaurus walking slow, Brachiosaurus tall we know. Velociraptor fast and quick, Triceratops strong and thick. T-Rex roaring loud and proud. Goodbye friends, wave goodbye, see you soon, don't you cry. Goodbye friends, see you again.